Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to activate your HDFC credit card online. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So you need to open a web browser of your preference on your mobile phone, as this feature is only done via mobile phone. Simply type in the URL www.mycards.hdfcbank.com. Once you do this, simply type in your registered mobile phone number, and once you type in your registered mobile phone number, you will get an OTP. Once you type the OTP in and press on the submit button, you need to then select cards option from prompts you are given after. By following the prompts on your screen of My Cards, you will be able to activate your HDFC credit card online. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.